Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new page in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page, and next to the website that you want to add a new page on, click on this edit website button. This is my website inside the website builder, and to add a new page, simply click on pages. And here you will see a list of the available pages right now. And if you click on this add page button, you will see this new window. Here you can add a new page using different methods. The first one is by generating this page by using AI. Here you simply describe your new page. For example, create an About Us page for our sustainable Italian restaurant, where we craft authentic dishes using only the finest locally sourced ingredients. And hit this create page, and you will see a new page on your website, giving you with the results or based on your page description. You can also create a new page which is empty by clicking on this new empty page. As you see, this is an empty page. You can add a blank section just like that, and then continue adding elements to your page like a title, a photo, a text paragraph or text. And as you see here, this is your new page. Now let's see the other ways to create a new page. Also, you can create a new blog page. For example, a blog page showing your latest blog posts. You can also create a page online store, like a product list page, a single product page. There are multiple templates you can go with. And also you can create an appointments page using an appointment list page or a single appointment. You can also, and here, as you see, there are multiple page example or page templates. For example, you can create a contact us page using one of those two templates, a services page, a project, and also the legal pages like privacy policy, refund, terms and conditions. And let's create this new, or let's generate one using AI. Create me a menu page for my pizza shop called NYC Pizza. Click on create page, wait a moment. And this is the page results I got using this prompt. As you see, it was on point. This is the menu of pizza photo, a pizza or a review, a business review, get in touch, our spot. So this is on point. And after creating or adding a new page, don't forget to update your website to publish this new page online. While this page, or let's wait to not overwhelm you. Let's view my website live. And as you see, this is the first. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and adding content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also hosting your email today for free, simply go to academy.com.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Let's view my website live. And as you see, this is the first page I've created. This is the empty page I've created and added this empty or this blank section. This is the product list page I've created using this product template. And this is the last page I've created using generated by AI. As you see, all pages are added, all new pages are automatically added in this navigation menu. First, let's see how to remove those pages if you want it, and also how to rename those pages here. So go back to the website editor, go to the pages, and here you will see the new added pages. And to rename a page in the navigation, simply click on these three dots, select rename, and fill in a new name in navigation. For example, let's call it, tutorial page. As you see, also the page URL is updated. If you want the page URL to stay the same, copy it first, rename the page second, and return to the and paste the original page URL here. Click on save, click on update. As you see, the page name was automatically updated in the navigation menu. Now let's see how to remove a page from this navigation menu without deleting it from your website. So this let's say that this menu page, I have two menu pages and I want to delete this new created one. Simply click on these three dots and click and select delete. Where is it? This is delete. Click confirm your action, and just like that, the page delete is deleted from your website and also from the page. Let's make sure. Are you sure you want to delete this page? You cannot undo this action. Yes, this deleting a page this way, it's deleted it from your website. Now let's see how to remove a page from the navigation menu without deleting it from your website. Same thing, go to the pages section and drag and move the page you want to hide from the navigation by placing it here below, hidden from navigation. This way the page stays available if you access it using an internal link or an external link, but it will not show up anymore in the navigation area here. And this is how to add a new page to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video,